Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two essentials: your account credentials with the carrier and the PIN2 code that secures call barring changes. Once you have Signal, open phone settings calls or call settings, many platforms list call barring there. Tap the entry labeled for outgoing or all calls and choose Deactivate. The phone will prompt for PIN2. Provide the code. If accepted, the device sends a network request to disable barring. This step begins the network-side removal of the restriction. If the phone asked for PIN2, enter it carefully. 3 wrong attempts can lock PIN2 and require a PUK2 from your carrier. Once PIN2 is accepted, the handset sends a deactivation request to the operator. That is why you need live signal and no airplane mode. If the built-in menu fails, open your carrier app or dial the operator's UST or service code to request deactivation. Make sure you wait for the success message. The operator completes the actual service change. To finish, place a test outgoing call and reopen call barring to confirm it shows deactivated. This proves both device and network updated. If you still see barring, do not repeatedly guess PIN2. Instead, request PUK2 from your carrier or ask them to reset barring remotely using your account verification. One key troubleshooting tip: if the PIN2 is locked, only the carrier-provided PUK2 will restore change capability. Make sure you have account ID handy when you contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.